In this video, we are going to learn about how to download and install the Burp Suite application in the Windows operating system. So, what is the Burp Suite? Burp Suite is the application. Burp Suite is the testing tool, vulnerability scanning tool for the Windows operating system. So, let us download it. Download Burp Suite Community Edition. Community Edition is a free cost edition. So, first of all, click on this first link. Download Burp Suite Community Edition. Now go to straight downloads. So this is Windows 64. Click on download. So the download has been started. Let us wait for a few minutes. Like here is showing 2 minutes. So let us wait for 2 minutes. It will download. Then we will install the Burp Suite application. The download is going to complete. So let us wait for seconds. Just it is finishing the downloads. The download has been completed. Now double click on this link. So it is starting the installation. So Burp Suite installation is showing over here. The installation is in progress. Let's wait for a few seconds. So now click on the next button for the installation. This is the directory where C users go in their data local programs or Suite community. Here the application will be installed. The required disk space is 439 MB and the free disk space is 14 GB. Okay, click on the next. Then again click on the next. The installation has been started. Wait for the few minutes to complete the installation. Extracting the file. Installation has been finished. Now click on the finish button. The installation has been completed. Now open the Burp Suite tool that's over here. Burp Suite Community Edition. This is the application. Double click on it. Now Burp Suite application is now being started. Let's wait. So click on the next button. This is the temporary project in the memory. So selected and use Burp details. Okay, start app. Maximize this application now. It's starting the project. Please wait. So it starts the project in the Burp Suite. The project has been started. So if you want to target any project over here, so now come to the target and click on the open browser. It will launch a browser that is passing the traffic from this Burp Suite. That means any traffic coming on this browser always will go to this Burp Suite. Okay, so means there is a proxy of this application, this browser. Okay, so suppose I am opening W3 school. Okay, it is opening. So that's why it is showing as crossed. So if I click on w3schools.com, okay, so in the Burp Suite I will see all the links, right? So here show you so all these links are opening, like search. This is the search. This is the Google search. Now this is the W3 schools. Okay, this has been opened over here. So we are seeing all the traffic that is coming on this browser. Whatever the traffic is coming is going through this Burp Suite. So we can intercept traffic and we can perform the actions whatever required. Okay, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.